Welcome to Qt for Python development course. What is Qt or Qt? Qt is a cross-platform application development framework. You can use it to write application for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, iOS, embedded platform, and so on. But you need to write the code only once. For example, if you write your code for Windows machine and if you want the same code run on Linux machine, then you just simply recompile this code in a Linux machine to generate the application for the Linux. You can do the same process for the Mac. So, Qt will drastically reduce your development time. You have to code once and recompile it for different machines. Now, Python is the one of the official languages that support Qt, but originally it is developed for C++. Let's visit the Qt page in Wikipedia. Initially, it was developed by these two guys, Herbert and Eric. Now it is maintained by the company called Qt. Interestingly, Nokia was behind it. Here is the list of popular applications that are using Qt. Adobe Photoshop Album, Autodesk Maya, Autodesk 3ds Max. Popular video editor, the DaVinci Resolve is also in this list. The VLC media player, most popular media player nowadays. Here's the list of organizations that are using Qt: AMD, LG, Microsoft, Panasonic, Philips, Samsung, all our big shots are using Qt. So you can be a software developer for this company if you learn Qt very well. There are two APIs to develop the Qt applications. First, the Qt Widget APIs that use for graphical user interface for desktop applications. This is mainly targeted for desktop application used in Windows, Linux, and Mac. QML is the newly developed APIs. It is used for developing mobile and embedded device UI, but it can also used for developing desktop UI. But if you exclusively target the desktop, then I will recommend you to use Qt Widgets because it is very matured and it has been used since 1990s. For mobile and embedded applications, go for QML. It is designed for embedded and mobile applications, but also it supports desktop application, as I said earlier. Now, if you decided to develop your application using Qt, whether it is Qt Widgets or QML API, you will be writing your logic in some programming languages. And the two programming languages that supported by Qt, one is Python, another is C++. But for this tutorial, we'll use Python as a programming language. Another thing I want to let you know that Qt is not just about graphical user interface. Qt can be used for much more. You can do networking, threading, you can write database application, you can tons of other utility classes provided by Qt. The requirements for this course is not so high. You just need some basic understanding about Python programming language. The most important thing is the stronger drive and willingness to learn. That is what you need most to learn programming language because it required patience. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial where we will start building desktop application using Python and Qt.